wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best luggage tags. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Shaq Luggage Full Back is made of flexible rubber that doesn't break easily and won't mark your luggage. It's easy to fill out without removing the card, conveniently comes in a set of 2, and is available in 8 colors. A privacy cover hides your information and it's equipped with steel cable loops. However, the screw connectors can loosen. At number 9, the fluorescent Travel-On One Size is easy to spot on a carousel. If your luggage is lost, the finder simply removes the strap and swivels the cover to reveal the address and contact information. It's secured with a wide and strong PVC strap. You have a choice of 6 colors, but note that the insert is not removable and standard business cards won't fit in it. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Finex Cartoon Set offers a choice of characters, including Star Wars, Transformers, Disney, and Peanuts favorites. These are made of silicone that's both durable and flexible enough to withstand the knocks and abuse associated with travel. They come with a thick adjustable strap and you get 4 characters per set. However, the writing area is quite small. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for luggage tags, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the fashionable Nicole Miller bags and baggage come in vibrant modern designs and are sold as a pair, so you can use one for checked luggage and one for your carry-on. You write straight onto the plastic address label in ballpoint pen. These are made of stiff plastic with a durable buckle attachment, but there's no cover to hide your details. Moving up our list to number 6. A good choice for cat lovers, the Kate Spade Black Cat. It's from a line of accessories designed by this New York City fashion house. The fun design is both chic and understated, with a simple embossed nose and whiskers with protruding ears. It's a flexible silicone build with a strong rubber strap. However, your information is not covered. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Samsonite Vector Funk sports a colorful and artistic design, with the company's logo embossed on it. It's made from PVC and secured via a loop tie, which has to be physically removed and won't fall off if the luggage is mishandled. It comes with a stretchy elastic strap and is easily identifiable. It accommodates business cards. At number 4, your address on the C-Pack identifier is covered for privacy, with a sliding action to reveal your personal information after the strap is removed. This is an effective security measure as it helps prevent opportunistic burglars knowing where your home is. It comes with a stainless steel strap, an aluminum alloy shell, and a transparent card protector. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the brightly colored Samsonite Orange Tiger pulls out to reveal your information, making it easy to check and replace. The elastic bungee strap is quick to attach and remove with no buckle, as these can come undone if mishandled. It's a rugged construction made of stitched faux leather, and it accepts most business cards. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for luggage tags, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Ovner Silicone look like standard airline luggage tags with their airplane motif and clipped corners. These are available in 6 colors or as a multicolored set and are not too large, at a little over credit card sized. They're made of a flexible material with a stainless steel wire. Your details are partially covered. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Proud Guy Tough Tag is a robust metallic option that accepts standard business cards. You get a downloadable PDF via the company website that lets you make your own customizable tag inserts with different layouts, text, and colors offered. It's corrosion resistant with a durable steel strap and is available in 20 colors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for luggage tags, or simply click beneath this video.